French Bulldogs are known for their adorable looks and fun personalities, but have you ever heard them making some pretty weird noises? From snorts to snuffles. Let's explore the quirky sounds your Frenchie might make and what they really mean. First things first, French Bulldogs are naturally quite vocal dogs. But because of their unique physical characteristics, like their short snouts and compact faces, these noises might sound a little unusual. One of the most common sounds French Bulldogs make is the snort. This happens because of their brachycephalic, short-nosed structure. Their short nasal passages make it harder for them to breathe normally, which leads to those snuffly, snorty sounds. The snorting sound is completely normal, and most French Bulldogs do it while they're excited, playing, or even just relaxing. But don't be alarmed if your Frenchie lets out a little snort here and there. It's just part of their unique charm. French Bulldogs can also make some other funny sounds that might leave you wondering what's going on. Grunting is another common sound, and it's often heard when French Bulldogs are excited or exerting themselves. It's their way of expressing joy or even frustration when they're trying to reach a toy or treat. Some French Bulldogs will also make low growls, which might sound intimidating but are usually just playful or a sign of curiosity. They're not trying to be aggressive, they're just being vocal. While weird noises are typically harmless, there are some situations where you should pay closer attention to your Frenchie's sounds. If your French Bulldog starts making a wheezing or choking sound, it could indicate a respiratory issue. Since French Bulldogs are brachycephalic, they're more prone to breathing problems like brachycephalic obstructive airway syndrome, BOAS. If the weird noises are persistent or seem to cause discomfort, it's always a good idea to consult with your vet. They can rule out any underlying health issues and help ensure your Frenchie's breathing is healthy and normal. Luckily, there are things you can do to help your French Bulldog breathe better and reduce some of those noisy moments. Make sure your Frenchie stays cool, especially on hot days. Their short noses make it harder for them to regulate heat, which can lead to more breathing problems and those extra snorts and snuffles. Encourage regular, moderate exercise to keep their airways clear, but avoid overexerting them. Gentle walks are usually best for these little guys. So, can French Bulldogs make weird noises? Absolutely. It's just one of the quirky, lovable traits that make them so unique. But if you ever have concerns about their breathing or sounds, don't hesitate to reach out to your vet. Does your French Bulldog make any hilarious or unusual sounds? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and informative videos about your French